How to track order on Skip the Dishes application. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can track your orders on Skip the Dishes. Tracking orders on Skip the Dishes is very direct, and sure you watch this video to the end. The first step is to log in into your Skip the Dishes account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you will go to the page where you can see different meals provided or you can order from different restaurants at affordable prices. So once you can see this, the next step is to move to the lower part of the screen where you can see some icons such as the home icon, the search icon, the orders icon, and the deals icon. And then at this stage, I must let you know that there are two ways whereby you can track your orders. The first way is by clicking on the track the order link sent to you in your confirmation mail after you have paid for a particular order. Okay, so after making payments for an order, you get the confirmation mail in your email account, and then in this account you'll see the track your order icon or the track your order link there. Once you see it, click on it, and from there read the on-screen instructions and you'll be taught on what to do. And then the second way is by selecting the orders icon, which is located before rewards at the lower part of the screen. Once you selected this, you'll be brought to the orders page where you would see all of your orders. Then the next step is to select the order that you would like to track. Once you selected this, by the right side of that order, you'll see the more options button. Select it. In the options displayed, click on track my order. Then you'll be directed on that page. Follow the on-screen instructions, and from there, the order would be tracked. It's that simple, okay? Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.